welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to check out the blue Spruce marking knife. Now, I want to tell you right off the bat that I did not think I was going to like this knife because of how far away the blade is from the handle. But they have figured out the weight and the shape of this knife to where it is comfortable, and I feel like I'm more accurate with this even being farther away. So the indent in the handle and the palm swell and the weight are right at your fingertips, giving you all of the control. It's not back heavy, it's not front heavy, it is very comfortable and smooth to use. The other thing that I like is the blade changing. So the innovation behind it is you just need one marking knife and then you can buy different blades that do different things, which I love. What made me nervous is that it would be a pain in the butt to change blades all the time. If you have to sit here and unscrew this forever, you don't. Loosen it slightly, take the blade out, put a new blade in, tighten it down, you're good to go. So I love that they thought of that. The other thing with this marking knife is it's very, very fine. The first couple lines I was making, I struggled first to see them, and then I was like, how is my chisel even going to reference in that line? It's too fine. So I tried it. I tried my chisels, and all of the ones that are sharp reference without any issue. The chisels that weren't sharp wouldn't reference. I see that as a bonus because I often forget to sharpen my chisels. This knife will tell you if it's time to sharpen your chisels. So, all around, I like this knife. I recommend it if you're in the market. And of course, I'm going to recommend BOCOTE because I love BOCOTE. If you guys have this knife, love it or hate it, let us know down below. Any questions, any comments, anything like that, again, let us know. I hope you all enjoyed. And if I don't post before Christmas, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. But I'm hoping to have a couple videos. We'll see. All right. Adios.